Everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer photo or video to USB flash drive to your Galaxy S26 Ultra. You just easily transfer any photo or video from USB to your phone. So let's get started. At first, take a USB, and this is a converter, USB to Type-C. At first, properly connect and just put in. Like I'm open my file apps. Okay, and just press on to connect. Okay, alright, as you can see, now successfully connect my USB flash drive. If you want to transfer phone to USB or USB to phone, same process. Okay, just select any photo or video, open any folder, now press photo and video, press on to move. Follow this, my USB storage, and this my internal storage. Okay, select internal storage, select any folder or create new folder, press on to plus option to folder on, create, and just press on to move here. Now successfully move this. That's it.